What is up, everybody? It is Ben with Srkcycles.com, and today I've got a 2007 Harley Davidson Sportster, Harley Davidson Nightster. It is the Sportster, it's the 1200, and this is a super cool bike. We just got it in, and we're gonna walk around this thing really quickly, so you guys can see what's up with it. Here on the back tire, got plenty of life there. Should be got a lot of miles left. I should pass inspection, no problem. Coming up here in the top. This is just a reflector here. Tail lights and turn signals are both in these here. Here on the Fender's looking pretty decent. It's got like the short fender kind of chopped off there. I like that look. There is some scratches on this bike. Not right here though. This back fender is looking pretty good. Yeah, especially for a 2007, it's super clean. But here on the side of the turn signal, there's a scratch here. Not sure what would have caused that. It might have been on its side at one point. There is some small scratches here on the bottom of the exhaust, but it doesn't look like it was bad. If it was down, it is belt driven. You can see the belt here, and you can see it has the spoked rear wheel. If you look through in the back there, you can see the rotor. Got the big rotor in the back. There in the swing arm, everything is looking pretty good. Here on the side cover, that's all good to go. Super clean there, nothing to be worried about. Got the solo seat. This is a really nice solo seat. I was actually riding this bike around a little bit myself, and I've enjoyed riding it around. It's got a lot of pep, especially for being a Sportster, but it is the 1200. It sounds cool. We'll hear that in a minute. Do not miss out on the test drive video that Sean did with this bike. It'll be out on the road, and you can see the first-person view of that. Nice clean air filter there. Got your rider peg, rear brake, got the highway pegs on the crash bars. That's a good look. I like that. Coming up here on the top, you see the top of the mirror. Got your brake, throttle, all that. Turn signals mounted there. I think that's also a good look. Got the headlight with the solo gauge. Here on the fork tubes, they're all looking really, really good. No rust or pitting or anything. Here, the black paint on the front forks is looking good. Lot of life left in the front tire. Definitely gonna pass inspection. Yeah, so that's that. Here on the front fender is looking good. Also very clean. No scratches or dents or anything. Spin this thing around so you can see the other side. There you can see the spoked front wheel and your front rotor. Here on the fork tubes, they're looking good. No rust or pitting or any of that. Yeah. So let's keep walking around the side. Up here you got the clutch. There is a scratch here on like the clutch lever right there. You guys can see that. Not sure what would have caused that. There's a mirror, a little bit like a rough spark there right underneath the mirror. Yeah. So this tank is like the small tank. It's only like 3.3 gallons or something like that. But for this bike, it's a really, really good look, I think. I think they have the right one on there. There's the motor. Everything's looking good on the motor. It's not leaking anything. It runs like a top. It sounds sick. We're gonna hear that in a minute. There again is got the highway pegs kind of on the crash bars. There's your rider peg, shifter. Got the kickstand. This side panel is looking good. There is like a little bit of fade right here, and just a small mark right there. So yeah, that is that. There's the swing arm, rear suspension. This does not have, some of them get the rust on the inside of there and the springs. That is not there, which is really nice. There is a little bit of like some specks there. So know that. So yeah, come over the top. Again, like I said, here's this super sick solo seat. And here on the top of the tank, there is a scratch. You can see it right there, my finger. Not sure what would have caused that. It's just in a clear coat. It's not through into the paint. There's the fuel tank. There you go, clutch, controls, mirrors. There is your speedometer, all that. Controls over here. Got your throttle, brakes. You guys know the drill. Turn this arm real quick so you guys can see the mileage. We're at 11,321. There will be a few more after Sean does his test drive, so make sure you check out that test drive on YouTube. Let's fire this bike up so you guys can hear it run. That fuel pump run. There you go, you guys hear that run. Get a full 360 here so you guys can see this whole thing in one swipe. I know I was going around it pretty closely. There you go. See how the lights are on. Let's make sure the turn signals work. Hit that side. No, do that. There you go. Turn signal on this side, in the back. Turn signal on this side, in the front. Turn signal on this side in the front, and this side in the back. There you go. Like I said, it is a 2007 Harley Davidson Nightster 1200, and this bike is not going to last long. Do not miss out on this bike, and thanks so much for watching.